back to my channel, Make by Rainbow, and this is going to be a very special video because today I'm going to be swatching the MAC Patrickstarrr collection lipstick for you guys and lip gloss. And basically I'm going to be showing you guys the lip gloss and lipsticks that I received and that I currently have in my possession. And if this is your first time seeing my face or coming across my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below. And if you guys are already subscribed, thank you guys so much for your support and I love you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this video.